Reversal of Bitcoin is on. So, stocks in an uptrend, tech stocks in an uptrend, home builders in an uptrend, small caps in an uptrend, gold in an uptrend. Nothing has broken down. Everything is good. Bitcoin, it's in a range on the weekly, on the daily. It is wicked down, and on all that fear, we are in a higher low. Look, we're targeting to the top of this range again. And one of the reasons I'm doing this is because we've had huge liquidations. So it liquidated all the shorts and then liquidated all the longs and liquidated all the shorts and just ripped right back up. Done all the work. And now we're going for 109, 110, first stop 108. ETFs, not too much selling off there compared to normal, but we got this 50-50 in the long short range as well, ratio, sorry. Now this is 50-50, so when this does break, it's more likely to be a proper breakout rather than a pullback. And we've also got the exchange volume pushing up as well. And we're up in greed. So we had all the liquidations, check. Had all the liquidity hit. We got a target up there, check. ETFs have sold off, check. Long and short is now back into line 50-50, ready for the next move. Exchange volume putting in a higher low. And the crypto wicking down to fear yesterday and now moving up. So, everything is looking good. We're targeting top of the range, and from there, once these levels are hit, it'll then decide where to go. But I think after that big liquidation there, I don't think it needs to go down any further. I think the work there is done. I think it's going to come up here and take this, and then potentially move up. We might be breaking out of this range soon. So if we go on the charts, Bitcoin dominance, look at the wick here. This was the previous all-time high. It's wicked up. This is a huge reversal candle. This is exactly what we want to see. And on the weekly as well. Look, this is just going to be insane. So, step one, it's done. It's got itself back below this top pivot. Step two, we want to see get below this trend line. But it's going the right way. ETH Bitcoin, excuse me, reversing off a monster double bottom. Now, this still needs to play out, but we're above our support, and we've rebounded well off that double bottom, and we've got bullish divergence. And it looks like it's going to be a top and tail, so strong signs there, but we need to get this up above this pivot, above the yellow line first. Ethereum and the USD pair. Remember I told you the ranges like to do the false move up, take liquidity, they come down, take that liquidity, and then move up. So it's faked out the top, faked out at the bottom. Now we need to get this above the 50% level of this major bull market. Once it's above this 50%, that's step one. Then we need to get above the EMAs, that's step two, and then we're on for the breakout, step three. So the charts are pulling together. Alt market. We are above the major 50%. We are in an upsloping channel, which I've just spotted today, which is good. Now, it's got some work to do, but we're getting there. We need to close above this 50%, close above the green line, the yellow line, and close above the blue line. And then we're on for a massive breakout. So things are starting to line up. As you can see, if you look on the daily charts, others, the altcoin and the Bitcoin price is creating huge bullish divergence. So we can get this bullish divergence in the wedge. If that sets off, that will get us about back into trend, back into the wedge, and then we'll start working our way up again. So we've recovered really well. And the altcoin dominance as well in massive bullish divergence, hitting a massive double bottom. So we'll need to see how things go, but things are looking good. UST dominance. We've got the three bearish patterns, it's all playing in one. The bearish triangle, the bull flag, and the massive wedge. And we've got the fake out as well, just as I suggested. And now it's back below that trend. We want to see this breakdown. Once it breaks down here, this is going to go insane. Alts are going to fly. Everyone thinks alts are dead. Everyone thinks ETH's dead. ETH, I said this, ETH is sleeping right now, and everyone's sleeping on ETH, everyone's sleeping on the alts, everyone thinks it can't be done. Everyone is basically breaking and folding on the alts. This is when, only when, the alts will reverse. We've got the dollar. This is potentially good news for us as well. It's wicked up, it's put in a very strong reversal candle, and look at this candle pushing down. This is after the tariffs with Mexico, Canada. You know, Trump is obviously holding the dollar up very high there to negotiate, and now maybe it's time he's happy enough to let this dollar start dropping. So if this dollar starts dropping, USDT dominance starts dropping, alts are going to fly. ETH's going to move, then the alt's going to move. So guys, we've made it through yesterday and things are looking very optimistic for the future for the next few months anyway. So as always, hope you enjoyed the update. If you like these, please like and subscribe. It definitely help try and grow this channel. I'm going to be here every day. Haven't missed a day yet. I'm going to keep you guys in these alts, in the money, and I'm going to get us out near or close to the top. So like and subscribe, and I'll speak to you again tomorrow, guys. Cheers.